How to enable 2FA on Fortnite. I am going to show you how you can easily enable 2FA on Fortnite. Go to the account page. Under the two-factor authentication header, you will see the available 2FA options. Use an authenticator app as your two-factor authentication. When you sign in, you will be required to use the security code provided by your authenticator app. If you opt to use an authenticator app for 2FA, these third-party common authenticator apps can be found in your mobile device app store. Google Authenticator, LastPass Authenticator, and Microsoft Authenticator or Authy. Use a security code to send your email address as your 2FA. The security code will be sent to the address associated with your Epic Games account. You will need to use it when you sign in. Use your phone as your 2FA. When you sign in, you will be required to use the security code when you send via SMS message. Click Setup to enable your preferred 2FA method. After you select your authentication method, you should receive a code from Epic Games for email and SMS, and the app should generate a code for you. Input the code and you should see a success message on the website. A confirmation message will be sent to your email. Your account page will be automatically updated to confirm that the authentication method is active. Please note that if you choose more than one authentication method, you will want to click on the three dots on your preferred method of contact and choose the Make My Primary 2FA method.